In the realm of wolves, solitude is not loneliness, but profound reflection. Journey with the wise wolf to discover nature's hidden stoic truths. Amidst the vastness, the wolf teaches us the virtue of self-reliance. Embrace solitude as a nourishing companion, not a foe. In solitude, the wolf finds clarity and strength, akin to quiet waters. Such silence nurtures purposeful action over reactive chaos. The wolf's thoughtful gaze pierces the transient veil of life's distractions. Solitude hones its instincts, sharpening awareness and focus. There is a profound wisdom in nature's quiet, whispering heartbeats. The lone wolf embodies this eternal philosophy effortlessly. In solitude, the wolf finds peace within the ceaseless cycles of nature's embrace. Seasons change, yet its path remains unwavering. As night deepens, the wolf becomes one with the silence of the universe. Solitude serves as a trusted guide through life's enigma. The wolf knows every snowflake's fall adds layers to its expansive wisdom. Each quiet moment reveals a new layer of understanding. Every dawn the wolf greets is a new chapter of insight unfurling. Solitude prepares the soul for growth and renewed purpose. Embrace solitude like the wolf, for it unveils the depths of stoic wisdom. In nature's quiet, life's purpose rings clearly and profoundly.